So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in a very another brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, very interesting and a very important and helpful video for all of the beginners, for all of the people who wanna learn the English language, who wanna develop and improve their speaking skills. Because today in this video I am gonna give the best practices that if you use then you can learn the English language very easily and also very quickly. Because when you was a baby, when I was a baby, when we were a baby, at that moment if we can learn our mother tongue, then why not now? Why not now we can learn the English language? Okay, at that moment our thinking, our brain wasn't prepared so good at this moment. But then also we learned our mother tongue, we also learned to speak our mother tongue. So in this age, we also can learn the English language very easily. But now how and also what are the practices, what are the ways that we followed in our childhood that just helped us to learn our mother tongue. So we have to find out all of that, and don't worry guys, just watch this video, because after a long research I found some practices that we followed in our childhood, and with the help of them we learned our mother tongue. So guys, if we do the same now with the English language also, then also we can develop the English language very highly, very quickly. Remember, English is not a subject, it is a language. And if you want to develop English, if you want to learn the English like pro, then first of all you have to make it your mother tongue. Yes, think that your mother tongue is the English language, and now you are a small child who are gonna learn the English language. So it will be fun guys. So let's start. First of all, we will analyze what is the first step that a baby takes for his or her mother tongue, and then what is the second step, third step, final step, and how we can perform them for our developments in English. So let's start the video guys. This video's topic is gonna be learn the English language as you learned your mother tongue. So let's start. So the first step that every babies they take, it is listening. Yes, listening. If you want to speak better, then first of all you have to listen the English language. You have to understand English language well and good. Remember, first of all, a baby, they can't just read something, they can't even write something, and they also can't speak some words. So that's why they can do one thing only, it is they can listen. So that's why always if you go in front of a newborn baby and if you speak something in front of the baby, then you will notice one thing, that the baby will don't return and also will reply to you, but they will listen to you. Okay, they will listen to you with very focused, and after listening they will stock a number of words in their brain. Okay, some words and also some sentences, and after doing this process, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months later, they will start to speak something. So that's why listening is very important. Just listen the English language, automatically we will start and you will start to speak it, create sentences, create words in your brain. Okay, so remember it very well. Listening is very important. Okay, so the babies, they also first then listen to their parents, to their elders, to their family members, what they're telling, what they're speaking daily. They just listen the same words. And for us in our mother tongue, we also don't use every day new sentences, new words. Daily we are using, I and you, everyone, we use the same words, same sentences. That yes, no, answering to someone, and also I will go there, I will don't go there, now I will eat my breakfast, I am hungry, I am going to take the bath, I am reading, I am writing. So this type of simple words. And if you start to speaking something very deeper, then you will use the new words. But for us, in our daily words, we use the normal sentences, the normal words that we use daily, like regular sentences, regular words. So that's why the baby also, they're obsessed by listening the words that their parents, their family members, they use. So that's why after listening for a long time they start speaking, but they don't take a big step. Okay, what we do, we do a very big mistake. It is taking the steps. Taking step is very important. If you don't take steps, means you will not take risks in your life. But if you don't take any type of risk in your life, then you are not gonna learn something new. So remember it always, it is very important for all of you. So just a baby take the second step, which is speaking. But the baby there doesn't just speak very big sentences, hard words and sentences. First they speak the normal sentences, not normal words, that yes, no, hungry, eat, and also cold. So this type of sentences. Okay, if you just go somewhere in front of the baby, then you will notice that the baby, what the baby need, they will just speak anything. A baby feels hungry, then the baby will not say that I want to eat or I am hungry. They will say only hungry or only eat. Okay, because their brain is not prepared for that long term sentence. Their brain is prepared for a short term sentence. Okay, so that's why what a baby needs, or what a baby needs, they will just speak that thing. Okay, so that's why I also tell to, and I always advise to the beginners, that if you are a real beginner and if you want to learn your English, if you want to develop your English, then first of all you have to start speaking from the small step, like the small words. Okay, what you are doing now, just explain the words, to explain the word with two or three sentences. Okay, normal two or three sentences, two or three words. If you do it, then simply like slowly you also will be able to join the words. And then the third step of the babies, they do the same thing. Okay, after just speaking the normal 1 2 3 words for 1 month, for 2 months, like mama, papa, after doing this thing, the third step that every babies they take, it is they just join the words and sentences with one together. Yes, the first step was they just speak some words, and then in the third step they add the another words with each others. So that's why I also say it is very important. When I was a beginner, then also I used to do the same. Okay, as I say to everyone, as I share with everyone, that I, in my beginning time, I just only used to read and read. Okay, I used to read the stories, the like small quotes, and after reading the story, I would practice all of those stories by the storytelling. Yes, and with this practice, after a long time, there are many words and sentences I have stocked in my brain. I had stocked in my brain, and then slowly I just started joining one words of another story and another words from another story, and I just used to join them by speaking. Okay, you have to take the step, and you will, or your body, your mind will just notice you. Your mind will say to you that now it is the time for to join the words together, and then you will start to join it. So it is the thing. And then after joining the words, the baby is fourth step, means the final step, it is they start to speaking. Okay, they start to speaking. At that time also, some sentences they can't speak properly, but they try. They are very consistent. Now we are grown ups, so that's why what we do, we don't have patience in ourselves. it is the biggest problem. Okay, if you want to develop your English language very fast and also very much, then you have to just become consistent for it. You every day you have to speak, you have to practice it. Ultimately, the speaking is very important. If your grammar rules, if your grammar structures are very powerful, then it is also very helpful for you and it is very good. And if you also can write English, if you can understand English also, but if you can't speak, then that is nothing gonna be. Okay, understanding English, it doesn't mean that speaking English. If you can understand English, now I am speaking all of the words you are understanding, but if I do some research, then I will find that a number of people, they can't speak the English language properly. Do you know the reason? The reason is they don't just practice the English language every day. Just try to practice it. It may be with your daily works, it may be with your works, is with your studies. Now I am speaking now means I am practicing the English language. So that's why I always give advice to everyone: speak. Okay, speak the English language daily. Without doing this and without don't taking this step, you are not gonna learn English. Okay, there are many YouTubers, content creators. Do you know how their English is so developed? Because they make the videos and they post the videos in the YouTube in the English language. And I am also personally, I don't make videos for likes, for subscribers, and also for any kind of another things. I just make the videos for my own developments, for my own speaking. I want to develop my speaking, and I know that if I become consistent for the YouTube, for my work also, then also it's gonna be developed. But now it's the age of learning, it's the age of understanding the game of the English language. So remember, English is a game. If you just play the game and if you think that it is very hard game, then it will be hard for you. But if you take it with fun and also if you just take it normally, then it also will be fun for you. Okay, remember, there is a quote that I always share with everyone. Everything is easy when you are lazy for it. Everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. So remember these sentences very good and just learn the English language like a baby. Think that you are a child. If you think that, oh, I know the English language, I am not a child, then everything will be opposite. But if you think that you are crazy, you are mad for English language, then there is no problem to becoming a little child, to becoming a small baby. Okay, so remember it, just learn. And if I miss anything, then the comment section are open. Feel free for to write in the comment section. If you have problems, then also you can comment me. I will try to answer you the comment. So bye bye. Just be consistent for the English language. Read, write, do fun with the English. One day you also will speak the English language very good, very fluently, with a good speed. So now bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Remember, subscribe the channel for this type of more new videos. It's a channel. If you subscribe it, then your English speaking journey is gonna be more shorter. Okay, so bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. To upgrade my nothing is little.